Rice bran oil and sunflower oil both have their perks, but let's break it down. Rice bran oil is rich in antioxidants and has a high smoke point, making it great for frying. It also contains oryzanol, which can help lower cholesterol. On the flip side, sunflower oil is packed with vitamin E and has a lighter flavor, perfect for dressings and sautéing. However, it's higher in omega-6 fatty acids, which can be pro-inflammatory if consumed in excess. So, if you're looking for heart health and versatility, rice bran oil might take the crown, but sunflower oil can still shine in your kitchen. Choose wisely.